Hey, what's up, guys? Right here I'm making you a video just to show you how to switch out the clasp. Say you go aftermarket on a watch and you want your original clasp back on your band. It's pretty easy, pretty quick. Sometimes I have people asking me how you do that. Well, it's pretty simple. Try to get yourself a tool, something like straight edge, like a flathead screwdriver, something like that. And all you're gonna do is put your wedge into it and pull the pin. There's a pin in there. See, it comes right off. Keep the original pin. Now we're gonna go to the aftermarket band. Same thing. I usually use the same pin. That way it's an exact fit. There you go. And that's it. Pretty easy, right?